Hello! For today's video featuring the Blackpink Frappuccino. So this is a collaboration between Blackpink and of course the Starbucks. For me, the lasa is great. So, yung iba kasi daw hindi nasasarapan, pero ako naman okay naman siya para sa akin. Kanya-kanyang panglasa yan. So, when you buy this at around 375 pesos, you get to have this makapal na cup lid. And also, this straw, makapal-kapal din siya at matibay-tibay din siya. Kapag ka maingat ka, magsasama kayong matagal. Ayan. And also, the cup itself is recyclable as well. So, feel free to bring it sa Starbucks kung bibili ka ulit ng drinks. Alam ko, minus 10 pesos ang masisave mo kapag nagdala ka ng sarili mong cup. Correct me and I'm